snacks from Haribo. You can see right there. It says Nur für Kurse Ziti. And they're called Weltal. I got these today. It tells you about the portion. Eine portion. I don't know, probably like 3 or 4. Yeah, I can't read German, but you can see everything in German. Alright. So, play these here. Wait, come out to the sun. Quickly. No, just look at the bag. Alright, whatever. So, see how German gummy bears taste. This is like a space themed gummy bear thing. Got like a little alien and like spaceships and stuff.
Can I try one?
Mm-hmm.
This one's a little astronaut.
It's definitely an interesting. They got like white and pink and purple and blue. I just had white and pink. I think it's supposed to be a mixed berry. I think both of these are mixed berry. Here, you dink it? No, dink it. Bro. Do you not know how to dink it? Look, you touch the food together. Stupid.
No.
Oh. It's like a soda berry thing. Would you agree?
Yeah.
It's got like a fizzy cola flavor, but it's like a berry.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Well, that's real tall for you. Catch you on the flip-flop.